Shang Historical and Culture Block, a glimpse into Fuzhou's past and present. Shang Historical and Culture Block, located in the heart of Fuzhou, China, is a vibrant area that seamlessly blends the city's rich history with modern culture. This historical district stretches along the Grand Canal, showcasing traditional architecture, bustling streets, and local businesses. Once an important commercial center, Shang has now transformed into a cultural hub, attracting visitors with its unique mix of art, food, and history. The area is home to ancient buildings, historical sites, and beautiful canals, offering a window into Fuzhou's past. Tourists can explore museums, art galleries, and traditional shops, while enjoying local delicacies and unique crafts. Shang is more than just a tourist destination. It's a living reflection of Fuzhou's cultural heritage, making it a must-visit spot for anyone interested in China's rich history and modern innovation. Subscribe for more videos.